In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to circle crop videos in CapCut PC. If you want to turn a regular square or rectangular video into a clean circular frame, or create that popular talking head bubble look for tutorials and presentations. This is a very simple way to do it right inside CapCut on your PC. We'll go through the process clearly so you can follow along without getting lost. To begin, head down to your timeline and find the exact video clip you want to crop into a circle. Once you've located it, click directly on that clip one time. This is important because CapCut needs to know which clip you want to edit before you make any layout or masking changes. After you click it, you should see a clear selection border appear around the clip, confirming that it's active and ready to be adjusted. Next, move your attention over to the top right Properties panel. This is where CapCut keeps many of the clip editing controls. Under the Main Video section, look for the Mask tab and click on it. As soon as that panel opens, you'll see a set of shape presets displayed in a grid. From those options, click on the circle shape. The moment you do that, CapCut will place a circular mask over your video footage. At this point, the circle may not be the exact size or position you want yet, and that's completely normal. Now you'll refine it in the preview window. Move your cursor into the main preview monitor and look for the yellow edge adjustment handles around the mask. Click and drag those handles outward evenly to enlarge the circular frame until your subject fits nicely inside it. The goal here is to make the crop look balanced and intentional, so take a moment to frame it neatly. You'll also want to make sure the circle edge looks sharp rather than soft. To do that, find the feather control, shown as the small trailing double arrow handle, and pull it all the way down to 0. Setting feathering to 0 removes any blur from the edge, giving you a crisp, clean circle that looks much more polished and professional. And that's it. Once your clip is selected, the circle mask is applied, the frame is resized in the preview, and the feather is reduced to 0. Your circle crop is complete. This is one of the fastest ways to create a professional circular video frame in CapCut PC. And it works especially well for facecam overlays, reaction bubbles, and presentation-style edits.